In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize many of the ACH functions included in our business banking platform. Here we see the navigation menus on the left side of the screen. The ACH option is located under Payments. When selecting the ACH option, the ACH screens appear. Here we'll see previously processed batches. On the right side, you can see we have an opportunity to create a batch or upload an ACH file. The calendar shows the days where we've processed ACH payments. Let's start with batches. You can select a batch and the detail information will appear. I can select these three dots and delete the batch if I'd like. I can edit the batch details by selecting Edit. Here I have the opportunity to change the batch name, the company ID, the entry description, and modify or add discretionary data. Back in the batch details screen, I can also modify the payment information by selecting Recipients. Here we see we have two recipients in this batch. I can select either one of these recipients and modify the amounts or change the account numbers. I can also just pull up a batch and select Review and Initiate. Reusing batches over and over again makes things easier. I can also create an ACH. When I select Create ACH, the opportunity to give it a name. I can select my company, enter the appropriate information by selecting Add Recipients, enter this information, entering amount, selecting credit or debit, entering an account number. We'll enter a fictitious account number for these purposes. And selecting the account type and save. Now I've created my batch. I can go back to my batch list, and again, review and initiate. If you have an ACH file that's being produced by your system, you can simply select Upload ACH. You can drag the file into this area or select Browse, and then select the file and say Upload. From here, we would upload the file, and it will tell us that we have successfully created a batch from this file. This will take us back to our batch list, and we can see this new batch is at the bottom of the screen. You'll see that the system automatically creates a batch name. Of course, remember from moments ago, we can go in and edit batches and modify the name as we see fit. And from here, we say Done, select the batch, review and initiate, select the processing date. We'd like the batch to be initiated, and select Initiate. It's going to ask us for our password to confirm that we want to process this batch. Once we confirm our login password, the batch will be initiated. And here's our confirmation. This screen is presented to give you the opportunity to uninitiate a batch. If you do want to continue with the processing of this payment, you would just select the X. And here we see this file that we uploaded, this batch that we just created, is now in an initiated status. Hopefully you will agree processing ACH transactions is simple and easy. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to us at any time.